Welcome children in bio class. Children, today in bio class I am going to explain you population explosion and birth control. Children, you know biotic potential of the organism is very high. Biotic potential means capacity to produce of their own kind, and the carrying capacity of the earth is limited because earth will provide the things which are essential to survive the living beings. So the carrying capacity of the earth is limited. So when you are taking the human population, the growth of human population is very high. If you take our country, in 1947 the population of India means 1951, there were near about 35 crore. But now it has more than 140 crore. Nearly in this from 1950 to 2021. So this much population has increased. But the agricultural farming land in the area, what are the resources are in India, that has not increased. Therefore, we can say the size of human population is a cause of concern for everyone. Because beyond a certain limit, when the population is going or population is increasing beyond a certain limit, so there will be shortage of food. There will be shortage of the resources. People will face death from starvation, malnutrition, and other related calamities. So, it is essential to look to see how we can control the population, how we can control the present rate of population growth. So this is biggest problem for our country, increasing population. So you have to study the different methods of the birth control. Our government also have done many things for it, for creating awareness among the people. Government has given a slogan, हम दो हमारे दो, we two and our two. And you see many couples, mostly the young ones, have been adopting it, and they are having either one or two child. Marriageable age also has increased. Age of marriage for the female is 18 years and for the male is 21 years. A number of family planning methods have been started by our government. But we have to know what are the methods of birth control. So the methods of the birth control, first is natural family planning. So natural family planning is of three types. First is calendar method, second is temperature method, and third one is mucus method. So we have to recognize the rhythm of the menstrual cycle, and we have to find out what is the safe period. In the calendar method, we have to see when ovulation occurs, when ovum release from the Graafian follicles. In the temperature method, when we are recording the temperature of women's daily, then we can find out there is slight dip in temperature just before the ovulation. Then after that there is rise. In the mucous method, their neck of the uterus, that is cervix, there is a secretion of mucus, and thickness of the discharge should be checked daily. When this become less viscous, then this is the unsafe period. Next is the artificial family planning. In the artificial family planning are barrier contraception, intrauterine devices, pills and injection, sterilization, and medical termination of pregnancy. So these are the 5 methods are coming in the artificial family planning. In the barrier contraception, there are some physical barriers are used that keep the sperm out or prevent the sperm from penetrating into the female reproductive system. The different barrier contraceptions are male condoms, female condoms, and spermicidal agents. Intrauterine devices. In the intrauterine devices are copper T and lips loop. So copper T and lips loop increase the phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus. In the copper T, copper ions released, it will suppress the motility of sperms. It will suppress the fertilizing capacity of the sperms. So egg is not fertilized, there is no implantation, female cannot pregnant. Next one is pill and injection. Pill and injection are the most effective method of contraception. In the pill and injection, hormones are present. There two hormones are progesterone and estrogen. So these two hormones control the menstrual cycle in the female, regulate the menstrual cycle in the female. So the pills is taken by women orally. The progesterone make the mucus hostile to sperms. Therefore, sperms cannot enter into the uterus. Estrogen injection is effective contraceptive. It is used by the female. If once one injection is taken, it will be effective for 3 months. Now, next is sterilization. It is a surgical method of family planning. In the surgical method, by surgery, fallopian tube is cut and tied. Then that is called tubectomy, tubal ligation. So in this, when fallopian tube is cut, then sperm cannot reach to fertilize the egg and egg cannot come in the uterus. In the male is vasectomy. There is vas deferens. Through it, sperms are carried from the epididymis to the penis, but when it is cut and tied, that is called vasectomy. Now, last one is the medical termination of pregnancy. Medical termination of pregnancy can be done in pregnant women up to 20 weeks. So this I told the various method of family planning and birth control. So once more children, you see, first you have to see what is the problem due to increasing the population. When population increase, growth of population is not controlled, so there will be death from starvation, malnutrition and calamities. There will be shortage of the food and resources. So therefore have to control the growth of the population. The growth of a population can be controlled by using the various method of the birth control. Various method of the birth control is natural method, that is calendar method, temperature method and mucus method. Artificial planning, family planning, in that is coming barrier contraception, intrauterine devices, pills and injection, sterilization, that is vasectomy in the male, tubectomy in the female, and last one is medical termination of pregnancy.